Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to turn off active on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first want to do is open up your Instagram account. Then you want to click onto your profile icon, bottom right hand corner of the page here. And then from here you want to click onto the three horizontal bars, that's the top right hand page. Now from here inside settings and activities, scroll down. And we want to click onto under how others can interact with you, messages and story replies. So now we're inside messages and story replies. And then from here, you'll see who can see you're online. You've got show activity status. So if we go ahead and click into that, we can see that it's currently enabled. So if I want to disable this, like so, what that means now, allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you're last active or are currently active on Instagram app. So toggling this off, people or other accounts can't see when you were last active or currently active on Instagram apps.